The camera was useful because it had anti-handshake, which meant that it was good when we were filming. The digital storage came in really helpful because some of our footage we had to reload again to make sure that we'd filmed it correctly. The internet came in really helpful when doing our project. YouTube was one of our main resources of information. We were able to put our song onto YouTube and gain audience feedback, and we gained our song from Facebook. I was able to see the demographics and psychographics of our video once we put it on to see who was going to watch it and the views that we'd got. We also looked at research, and we were able to research Jason Mraz and James Morrison and looked at their online profiles to see what they were doing and how they portrayed the indie genre. Online software, we were able to use Blogger, which we have posted all of our blogs onto. This meant that we had a running commentary of how we were doing on our project. Other online software we used was a software called Prezi, which enabled us to show all of our information and research on a presentable source. I liked using it because it was easy to use and it was a fun way of showing it. We could access this anywhere, so from school and at home it was easy to keep blogging. Final Cut Express is where we logged all of our footage onto. We were able to cut it up into smaller pieces so that it would be relevant clips. This enabled us to lip sync the parts that we wanted to lip sync in the song, and also add transitions such as cross dissolves to make it flow better. As well as transitions, we were able to adjust the colour saturation, as in parts of it we wanted to make some of the clips black and white to show that she was in memory. We linked this to tutorials on the internet from Apple to enable us how to do this. At the end of it, we also changed the motion and speed of the last clip, which we learnt how to do through a tutorial to make the train look like it was going slower. Facebook was our main source of communication. We actually gained our song through Facebook, through Friends of Grace, and we also arranged times to meet up, where to shoot, things like that on Facebook, as we can always email each other, which was a constant communication that we had. Instead of texting each other, we rather used Facebook because it was just easier.